Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Tiny Invoice Maker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Tiny Invoice Maker, is an app designed to simplify invoicing for freelancers, small business owners, and entrepreneurs. It enables users to create professional invoices, estimates, and receipts quickly, with customizable templates and support for multiple currencies. Key features include tax calculation, client management, PDF export, payment tracking, and automated reminders, all accessible from a mobile device. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate its clean interface, fast invoice generation, and organized client management. The app makes it easy to track payments, send reminders, and maintain an overview of all transactions. Many also enjoy the flexibility of templates and the ability to export invoices in different formats. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some advanced features require a paid subscription, which may not fit all budgets. Occasional syncing issues and limitations in offline mode have been reported. Additionally, while excellent for invoicing, it may lack the broader accounting functionality needed by larger businesses. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Tiny Invoice Maker app may be worth using if you're looking for a simple, mobile-friendly solution to manage invoices and clients efficiently. It excels in ease of use, customization, and real-time tracking. However, if you need advanced accounting features or integrations, it might not fully meet your requirements. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.